Good evening, dear students. You are most welcome in our YouTube channel Learning with Rajesh. In our geography topic 10th class, we started lesson number 1 named as Resources and Development. Today, this is the last video of the lesson and I hope you got all the points in last previous videos. Now, the first point of today is yesterday we learnt about the land degradation and the reason of land degradation also. So first one point is solution of land degradation. So how can we solve this problem? The first one solution for this balanced irrigation. So you should not consider that there are a lot of irrigation sources and you have to irrigate it and again. So you should balance the irrigation. And second one point, manage mining. So managed mining should be there and proper grazing should be there. So and less use of pesticides can also be considered for the solution of land degradation. So I hope you got the points that how can we solve the problem of land degradation. Second point of today, soil resource. We learned about the land resource in the lesson and today we are going to read about the soil resource. First point, what is the meaning of soil resource? The upper grainy layer of land is called soil. And you also learned this topic in 8th class and in science also. So after that, factors responsible for making of soil. This is very important point of the chapter. So what are the factors responsible for making of soil? So first point is altitudes. It means how the formation of land is. It depends on making of soil. And next, type of soil, type of rock also. A rock. So what type of rock is there? Whether there is igneous rock or sedimentary rock, what type of rock found in that specific land is also responsible for making of soil. Third point is climate. So what type of climate is there? Is there high temperature, low temperature and lot of rainfall there? So these are the main climatic factor depending the formation of soil. And next, vegetation. If lot of vegetation there or less vegetation there. Next one, time. So you know that time changes the particles of soil. Time to time there can be change in the particles of soil. And next point, wind also improve. In 7th class you learned that wind changes the soil, the formation of soil. And process of water. You know that in soil erosion, water washes away the upper part of the soil. And these are the main factors responsible for making soil. I think you got the point. Next point, soil is made of biotic and abiotic things. You know that bacteria are there, these are the biotic and the rest of things are abiotic. So you can say that soil is made of biotic and abiotic things. Next major point of the lesson is types of soil. So you know that there are 5-6 major types of soil in the lesson, and first point is alluvial soil. So there can be separate question in the exam. So write a note on alluvial soil. So and in a CBSE exam, you know there can be a question like this: alluvial soil is found in the northern plain, and this northern plain is very fertile. Justify the point. So you can say that in your answer, alluvial soil is found in the northern plain. First point. Second point, it is very fertile. Third point, it contains all minerals like phosphorus, calcium, iron, whatever the minerals are found in the soil. It contains all the minerals. And next point, it is also found in the eastern coastal plain. It is also found in the eastern coastal plain. And you know that the eastern coastal plain, there are a lot of deltas made by Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri and Godavari. And in these deltas, alluvial soil is found. And next point, it has two types. In 9th class, you learnt about this. it has two types, khadar and bangar. So there can be separate question in the exam, differentiate between khadar and bangar. So we are going to read this point now. Khadar, it is new alluvial soil and contains small particles. And third feature of the soil is it is most fertile. And next one, Bangar. It is old alluvial soil, you know that, and it contains large particles, and it is less fertile than Khadar. So I think you got the 3 points related to Khadar and Bangar. So Khadar is the new alluvial soil, and next one, it is fertile, more fertile than Bangar. And next point, major point, black soil. Black soil, it is known as regur soil, you know that. And next point, it is also known as cotton soil. It is found in Deccan Plateau. And in Deccan Plateau, it is mainly found in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And it is lacking in phosphorus mineral. You learned that in alluvial soil, plenty of minerals are found, but on the other hand, in black soil, it is lacking in phosphorus mineral. So I think you got the point easily. It contains lot of moisture. It contains lot of moisture in it. And next type of soil is red and yellow soil. So I am going to ask a question while reading. So tell me, in northern plain, what type of soil found in northern plain? I think you have answer, and there will be answer named as alluvial soil. And third point, red and yellow soil. It is found in Deccan Plateau, specific part of south. In Deccan Plateau, it is found in the southern part of Deccan Plateau. Southern means Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. It is found in the less rainfall area. Red and yellow found in the less rainfall area. And it's red due to iron mineral. Presence of iron, it is red due to. And there can be separate question in the exam, objective type. So name the why the red soil is red. You can answer that due to the presence of iron. And it's yellow due to dehydration and lack of water. And next point, fourth point, laterite soil. It is found in the high rainfall area. There can be question in the exam. Name the type of soil which is found in the high rainfall area, and your answer will be laterite soil. It is made due to leaching of water. It means plenty of water is there. So after the presence of water, this type of soil is made. And it is lacking in humus because there is high rainfall and high temperature also. In these regions where the laterite soil is found, there will be high rainfall and high temperature. Due to high temperature, all the bacteria are killed, and so that's why it is lacking in humus. On this soil, there can be agriculture with the help of lot of fertilizers. With the help of fertilizer, we can grow many crops on laterite soil. In Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, tea is grown in this soil. So there can be separate question also. What type of crop is grown in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu in laterite soil? And I think you have answer. The next one, fifth point, sandy soil. It is brown in color. And next, a lot of evaporation is there and plenty of calcium is there. So due to the presence of calcium, water does not go through the roots deep in the land. So that's why lot of evaporation is there. So plenty of evaporation is there. So that's why there is no moisture in this soil. I think you got all 3 points related to sandy soil. You can say that it's brown in color. There is plenty of evaporation, and evaporation due to the presence of calcium. Next point, mountain soil. Mountain soil, it is found in mountain area and it is acidic and lacking humus. And next point related to mountain soil is it is fertile in river valley area. River valley area, you know that there is khadar soil. It means the particles are small. You can say that in mountain soil, in river valley area, small particles are there. So that's why mountain soil is very fertile along with the valley area. Next and major point of the lesson. So you know very well about soil, types of soil in India, and the uh, major factor affecting the making of soil. I think you got all 2-3 points we learned today. Next major point, soil erosion. So first one, the meaning of soil erosion. Washing away of upper surface of land by water, wind, etc. is known as soil erosion. I think you also learned this topic in science also. Next, what are the main reasons of soil erosion? So main reasons are deforestation, overgrazing, mining, glaciers and bad practices in agriculture. So bad practices means plowing in a bad way. It means along parallel to the slope. Next point, types of soil erosion. Sheet erosion, when the upper sheet of land or soil is washed away by the water and by the wind, it is known as wind erosion. Next, how to stop soil erosion? There will be 5 marks question in the exam. How can we stop soil erosion? First major solution for this, by contour plowing. I told you right now that there can be bad practices of plowing in agriculture in the hilly area. So we should follow the contour plowing. It means against the slope. We have to plow against the slope. So that's why the water cannot flow easily from the slope. Next, stairs farming. We can make stairs like stairs land in form of stairs, so that can help in not flowing the water easily. Next, by making shelter belts of trees. So there can be belts of trees to stop the wind erosion and water erosion. Next one, by growing more trees. By growing more trees in the nearby area can stop the soil erosion, and by maintaining moisture, you know that we can cover the land with grass etc. and with the straw etc. to gain moisture. If there is moisture in the soil, there cannot be soil erosion, you know very well. So these are the major topics of the today's lecture. I think you got all the points of today, and thank you and have a nice day. Please subscribe and share the channel. Thank you and have a nice evening.